Hi, I'm Maxxie. Welcome to a new episode of Fitness Kitchen. And this episode, we are going to talk about whole wheat bread, or maybe not whole wheat, any cleaner recipes of breads, but it's not that appetizing to many people's taste. I think it has become common knowledge that whole wheat bread is better than white bread because it has a lower GI. When you eat whole wheat breads rather than white breads, your blood sugar level rises slower, and whole wheat breads usually contain more dietary fiber. But it's also true that they are usually not as appetizing as white breads. But anyway, I do know that for most beginners who just started to doing fitness, to try to get a better physique, to try to eat healthier, this is not really what we call delicious. So in this episode, let me show you a way to just use your whey protein powder to easily upgrade a piece of whole wheat bread. The bread I'm using today is a whole wheat bloomer. This is a typical clean recipe with no oil, no sugar in it. As a result, it's quite tough. Okay, now I've got myself 2 slices. These 2 combined, I think it's equivalent to the size of 1 toast. Now let me use my whey protein powder to make a custard for them. Choose a flavor that you like. Then, for this much bread, we need 1 scoop of protein powder. Then add in 2 tablespoons of milk. I'm using whole milk, I think this makes it taste best. Then just stir them together. If you are mixing them in the ratio I just gave you, this should be quite easy. It won't take long until they are mixed homogeneously, and it should be in this perfect consistency for spreading. This alone is already very delicious, but if you have an air fryer, you can even upgrade it to a next level. 200 degrees Celsius, 1 minute, and you get this slightly browned custard. It's only browned on the surface, it's still liquidy within. But remember, don't cook it for more than 1 minute, otherwise the custard would become as hard as a rock. Okay, now let me pair these breads with some salad, then the fabulous meal is done. Lately, one way I like to dress my salad is to use just 1 slice of ham. They are quite good at doing this. I know cured meat like this are usually considered totally not healthy, but if you're just using 1 slice for 1 meal, it's not really a problem. It won't add much salt or calories, but it makes your salad taste way better. The slice I'm using here is a prosciutto. This one only provides 31 kcal of calories. So I'm usually tearing them into these little strips and cover them all over my salad. This can make sure every bite is flavorful. And besides using ham, there is another low-calorie way I like to dress my salad, using unsweetened yogurt to make some dressings. I've published another video showing that. Great, now let me pair this with a glass of sugar-free sparkling drink. Happy meal! Okay, besides making this custard with whole milk, we can also use unsweetened yogurt to do this. This way pairs really well with those protein powder that already have some sourness. For example, strawberry flavor. The formula for the mixture is still pretty much the same. 1 scoop of protein powder and 2 tablespoons of unsweetened yogurt. Well, though tasting much better, this one is a little bit harder to make because yogurt is not liquid. So if you find yourself really like the taste, I suggest you pour the protein powder into your yogurt and make a large portion and store them in your fridge. Okay, anyway, this is how I make this custard with my protein powder. It's quite simple and very delicious. Okay, and that is everything of this episode. If you find that useful, if you like this channel, please don't forget to tap that like button and subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow me on Instagram, where I share my fitness progress and other things in my life. The link is down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next episode. Happy cooking, take care.